with an autobiography of a real serial killer, isang psychological animated film, isang campy revenge movie, isang tearjerker love story, at isang historical film. Sino kaya ang karapat-dapat na maging famous Best Picture? Here are the nominees.
Gumburza.
Best Picture.
Gumburza, CMB Film Services, Jesuit Communications Foundation, and M Plus Ventures.
Marami sa salsa.
And the famous for Best Picture goes to Malayali. Malayali. Clever Lines and Penguin Productions.
Maraming po salamat sa pong may kapal. Maraming salamat po sa FAMAS. Kauna-unahan ko pong nakita ang tropeyong ito nung bata pa ako. Sa kwarto ng mga tropeyo na nag-iisang Vilma Santos Recto. You never realize today na magkakaroon din po kami nito. Ayan. I would like to express my deepest gratitude to everyone who believed in this project from the very beginning. To our talented cast, headed by the no other than amazing Piolo Pascual, and crew, headed by the genius Direct Derek Cabrido, together with ECS, Enrico Santos, ayan. And of course, ayan, who poured their passion and creativity in every frame. To our producers, headed by Nay Omar, maraming salamat. Who believed in our vision and supported us, a newbie, in every step of the way. To Warner Brothers family, headed by Sir Rico Gonzalez, who helped us bring our film to audiences far and wide. To my family, who always supports me. Sa aking mga kaibigan in Original Elemental Productions, Joshen, Alan, Alay, Naigio, Shin, Ate Kat, maraming salamat. To our PR and marketing team, Reggie and Carl, and to our fans, the more than 1 million Filipino individual na nanood ng Malyares sa mga sinihan, your unwavering support and love have inspired us to push the boundaries of what is possible. But let us also remember that our work is far from over. Let us continue to champion diversity, inclusivity, representation in our industry. Let us strive to tell stories that challenge, provoke, and inspire. And let us never lose sight of the power of cinema to unite us, to move us, and change for the better whatever we are going through at this moment. Pag nagkakaisa po tayo, mas mabilis po tayo makakausad at mas magbubukas ng marami pang oportunidad para sa industriyang ito. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay po ang FAMAS, mabuhay po ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat.